నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవసంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవోభినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం 5th skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, in Ketumala Varsham, the children of Prajapati will be praying Sriman Narayana in the form of Pradyumna Deva. That is what I said. Now I am going to talk about another Varsham which is known as Ramyaka Varsham. Ramyakecha భగవతః ప్రియతమం మాత్స్యం అవతార రూపం. In that Ramyaka Varsham, the one who is ruling that Ramyaka Varsham is Vaivasvata Manuvu. He will be praying Paramatma in the form of Matsya Murti. The Matsyavataram, the form of Matsyam, the fish, is most beloved form of Sriman Narayana, and that is what is worshipped by Vaivasvata Manuvu, who is ruling Ramyaka Varsham. In the previous era, Paramatma has taken Matsya Murti Swarupam, the form of Matsyam, and that is what is the form is worshipped by Vaivasvata Manuvu even till today with all of his attention and devotion while chanting the following mantra. Om Namo Bhagavate Mukhyatamaya Namassattvaya Pranaya Vojase Sahase బలాయ మహామత్స్యాయ నమః. ఓం నమో భగవతే ముఖ్యతమాయ నమఃసత్వాయ ప్రాణాయ ఓజసే సహసే బలాయ మహామత్స్యాయ నమః. Through this mantra, Vaivasvata Manuvu will be praying Matsya Murti like this. Hey Bhagavan, Ho Matsyama, you are the one who is the master and the controller of my life, my strength of the body, my strength of the intellect, my strength of all my organs, and you are the root cause for all of those things. O Matsyamurti, I bow my head and do namaskaram to you. Out of all the incarnations, avatarams that you have taken, this Matsyamurti avataram is the firstmost one, and this is the most beloved form to you. O Matsyamurti, O Devadeva, I do namaskaram to you. Like that, Vaivasvata Manuvu will be praying Matsya Murti. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. ఓం శ్రీకృష్ణ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.